ka-happy feet! Welcome back to another vlog here in my channel. If you're new to my channel, please be a part of my Happy Feet family by subscribing and clicking the bell button para ma-notify kayo in case I have a new video. Today's video is not a travel video, but I'm sure nga magamit niyo siya whenever you're going to travel. So guys, right now I'm holding the newest edition to the A-series family of Samsung, which is the Samsung A80. So, kaka-release lang guys ni Samsung A80. I think mga 1 week pa lang ata siya na available sa mga stores. Samsung A80 guys is available in 2 colors. First is this one. Yan. This is the Angel Mold. So, yung side niya guys, gold siya. And the next one is the Phantom Black. Ito siya. Let's go through muna sa what we can see physically sa phone. So guys, let's go over sa back part ng Samsung A80. So this is sa center is, ito yung USB-C port. Si Samsung A80 wala sang audio jack. So pati yung mga headphones niya, USB-C port na siya guys. And this one is the mic. At yung memory card niya. So, sa memory ni Samsung A80, it's 8GB na RAM and 128 internal memory. And it's not expandable, guys. So, guys, dito, at the side of the phone, you can see yung volume button niya. High tsaka low. And then, on the side, is the power button. For the launching of Samsung A80, marami nang nag-a-anticipate sa phone na to kasi because of its rotating camera. So, we're gonna try it out. So, ganito siya pag normal. And if i-rotate ko na siya for selfie or what, ganito na siya. What? Sa camera ni Samsung A80. So, Samsung A80 has 3 cameras guys. Ito siya. And at the center is the main camera which is 48 megapixel. And dito naman guys, this camera is for live videos or live photos in which parang DSLR effect siya na nag-blurred yung background mo. And you can also adjust yung blurredness sa background ng photo mo or ng videos mo. Then, this one guys is the wide angle camera. Parang 120 degrees ata angle wide yung makukuha niya sa mga landscape photos na gusto mong i-take na picture. Mamaya guys, we're gonna compare these 3 cameras para makita nyo yung difference niya.
Feels like we're in paradise.
Guys who are considering of buying this Samsung A80, I'm just gonna give you some simple advantage and disadvantage ng phone. Personally, that's my personal opinion. So guys, let's go through sa sa advantage ni Samsung A80. First things first is the camera. The camera itself, may 3 klase ka na camera and it's very high quality. And you don't need to worry about selfie na quality and landscape na quality, same lang kasi it's rotating camera. Next thing is fast charging. It has a 3,700 mAh and 25 watts super fast charging yung battery ni Samsung A80. The good thing about this, especially sa those na nag-vlog, is it's uninterrupted video kahit rotating camera siya. So for example, nagla-landscape ka and then you're going to switch into front camera, hindi may interrupt yung video mo, continuous yung video mo guys. Other advantage pa ni Samsung A80 is that it's the only smartphone ni Samsung that has the new Infinity display. It has 6.7 inch FHD plus Super AMOLED and also also it has an in-display na fingerprint. So we're going through sa disadvantage naman ni Samsung A80. So as you can see guys, nakukover yung whole hands ko. Medyo bulky siya, medyo mabigat siya. As yung memory niya is non-expandable. So hanggang 128 gig siya na internal memory lang. When it comes to port naman guys, ito naman guys is yung charging port ni Samsung A80. It's USB-C port. Yung headphone niya, yung charger niya, USB-C port siya. So, hindi ka makakabili ng mga universal headphones na may audio jack. So, hindi siya applicable sa Samsung A80 na phone. So yun na nga guys, I've already tackled some of the mga important details ni Samsung A80. For now, let's gonna go through sa 3 cameras ni Samsung A80. Yung main, yung wide, tsaka yung live focus. So let's go. We're going to find some wall arts dito. Dito sa candy store, nakahanap ako ng lollipop. So pipicturean ko niya yung lollipop. So this is the main camera guys, the 48 megapixel. Let's take that picture. Then the wide angle. Ito siya. Oh, super wide. Then let's try yung live focus. Ini-blur talaga yung bag. Guys. Yan. Hi guys, so that's the end of my vlog na. I hope that I was able to help you in choosing the best phone for you. I really enjoyed its camera, especially those 3 cameras, type of cameras na trinay natin. I really enjoyed it. And there are a lot of things that I can do also. Parang ang limitless ng magagawa mo pa or madidiscover mo pa with Samsung A80. So yun na nga guys, I hope na naka-help ako sa inyo ha. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Make sure to leave a comment